Ever wondered how to make the perfect Jamaican jerk chicken? Well, let's dive into the history and unique characteristics of this iconic dish. Originating from the beautiful island of Jamaica, this flavorful and aromatic delicacy has made its mark globally, tantalizing taste buds with its spicy, sweet, and savory notes. The secret to the irresistible Jamaican jerk chicken lies in its preparation. It starts with marinating chicken pieces in a robust blend of spices and seasonings, which include the fiery Scotch bonnet peppers, fragrant allspice, earthy thyme, pungent garlic, zesty ginger, green onions, soy sauce, and a splash of tangy lime juice. This marination process is crucial, allowing the flavors to deeply penetrate the chicken, promising a flavorsome bite each time. Traditionally, the marinated chicken is then slow-cooked over a wood fire or charcoal grill, giving it that distinctive smoky flavor and caramelized exterior. So, are you ready to bring the taste of the Caribbean to your kitchen? To make Jamaican jerk chicken, you'll need a mix of spices and flavors that'll take your taste buds on a trip to Jamaica. Let's begin with the star of the show, chicken. For this dish, you can use any cut of chicken you prefer, but traditionally, a whole chicken cut into pieces is used. Now let's talk about the marinade, the secret behind the rich flavors of this dish. The marinade is a flavorful concoction of Scotch bonnet peppers, allspice, thyme, garlic, ginger, green onions, soy sauce, and lime juice. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating the unique taste of Jamaican jerk chicken. Scotch bonnet peppers bring the heat, while allspice adds a unique blend of spicy, sweet, and aromatic flavors. Thyme, a staple in Jamaican cooking, lends its earthy and somewhat minty flavor. Garlic and ginger add a robust depth of flavor and a kick of spice that blends perfectly with the other ingredients. Green onions give a slight crunch and a fresh, tangy flavor, while soy sauce adds a rich, savory, umami taste. Lastly, lime juice gives a refreshing, tangy twist that balances out the heat and spices. Once you've gathered all these ingredients, blend them together to make the marinade. The chicken pieces are then thoroughly coated with this vibrant blend and left to marinate. This marination process is essential as it allows the flavors to penetrate deep into the chicken, ensuring every bite is packed full of Jamaican goodness. But here's the key: patience. To achieve the best results, let the chicken marinate for several hours, or even better, overnight. This allows the chicken to soak up all the flavors, resulting in a more flavorful and aromatic dish. Now that our chicken is soaking up all those delicious flavors, it's time to move on to the next step. The next step in our Jamaican jerk chicken adventure is grilling. An integral part of this recipe's charm lies in the grilling process. The key here is to grill the chicken slowly, allowing the heat to gradually cook the meat while the spices caramelize on the surface. This slow cooking process doesn't just ensure that our chicken is thoroughly cooked and juicy, but it also allows the flavors to intensify and meld together. Now let's talk about the grill. Traditional Jamaican jerk chicken is grilled over a wood fire or a charcoal grill. This isn't just for show or tradition's sake, no. The wood or charcoal imparts a distinct smoky flavor to the chicken. It's a subtle but essential component of the flavor profile we're aiming for. So, if you have the option, go for a wood fire or a charcoal grill. The chicken pieces, soaked in our flavorful marinade, are placed on the grill. The sizzling sound as the chicken hits the grill, the aroma of the spices as they begin to caramelize, and the smoky flavor of the wood or charcoal mingling with the spices all create a sensory experience that's as enjoyable as the eating part. As the chicken grills, it's essential to keep turning it, ensuring even cooking and caramelization. The outside of the chicken should be a rich dark brown, almost black in places, evidence of the spices caramelizing to perfection. Remember, patience is key here. Rushing the grilling process can result in undercooked chicken or worse, burnt spices. So let the grill do its magic slowly and steadily. And there we have it. After a few hours on the grill, our Jamaican jerk chicken is transformed. The marinade has done its job, and the grilling process has amplified the flavors, resulting in a chicken that's spicy, smoky, and incredibly flavorful. Now, our chicken is juicy, flavorful, and almost ready to serve. Jamaican jerk chicken is a versatile dish that can be paired with a variety of sides. Traditional Jamaican accompaniments often include deliciously seasoned rice and peas, golden fried plantains, or a fresh, vibrant salad. These sides not only complement the robust flavors of the jerk chicken, but also contribute additional nutrients to your meal, making it a well-rounded culinary experience. Now let's delve into the health benefits of this flavor-packed dish. Jamaican jerk chicken, when prepared with lean chicken cuts and minimal added fats, can be a part of a healthy diet. The magic lies in the spices, each bringing not just taste, but health benefits to the table. Take garlic and ginger, for instance. Both are key ingredients in the marinade and are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. They help in boosting your immune system and fighting off common diseases. Then there's thyme, another essential component of the jerk seasoning. Thyme is rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin C and vitamin A, which are essential for maintaining overall health. Moreover, the method of cooking also plays a significant role in the health quotient of this dish. Grilling the chicken instead of frying it reduces the overall fat content, making it a healthier choice. The slow grilling process also allows for the caramelization of the spices, enhancing the flavors without the need for additional fats or oils. However, as with any dish, moderation is key. Even the healthiest of foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Therefore, it's essential to be mindful of portion sizes when enjoying this delightful Jamaican classic. There you have it, a delicious and healthful Jamaican jerk chicken meal right in your kitchen. Enjoy, subscribe and share.